Welcome to Employment and Education News. Like, share, and subscribe is 100% free. So please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. Deputy Manager IT Assistant Manager post vacancy in Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech in Computer Science, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical, Electrical, Pulp and Paper Technology, Electronics, Printing Technology. Become with CA or ICWA, Master Degree in Personnel Management and IR or MSW or MBA. MCA degree in law. Age limit maximum 30 years for assistant manager and 35 years for deputy manager IT. Apply between 25 October 2024 and 24 November 2024. Apprentice post vacancy in Bank of Maharashtra. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 20 to 28 years. Last date for application 24 October 2024. 545 Constable Driver post vacancy in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Eligibility 10th and valid heavy vehicle driving license. Age limit between 21 to 27 years. Last date for application 6 November 2024. Salary as per pay level 3. 195 Trade Apprentice post vacancy in Hindustan Copper Limited. Eligibility ITI. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 31 October 2024. Assam Rifle Sportsperson recruitment under sports quota for 38 riflemen, riflewomen general duty. Eligibility 10th. Sports qualification participated in international competition, national competition, inter-university tournaments, national sports, games for schools, Khelo India University Games, Khelo India Youth Games, Khelo India Winter Games. Sports discipline, athletics, fencing, football, archery, badminton, shooting, judo, karate. Age limit between 18 to 28 years for general OBC, 18 to 33 years for SC ST. Last date for application 27 October 2024. 5 Super Specialist Medical Officer, 176 Specialist Medical Officer, 164 Medical Officer post vacancy in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Eligibility MBBS. Age limit maximum 30 years for Medical Officer, 40 years for Specialist Medical Officer, 50 years for Super Specialist Medical Officer. Last date for application 14 November 2024. Deputy General Manager, Manager, Deputy Manager, Finance Officer, Officer, PR or Media Communication, Officer, Company Secretariat, Fire Officer post vacancy in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Eligibility Bachelor Degree and Flight Safety Course, Degree in Engineering, Bachelor Degree with CA or ICWA, PG Degree, MBA or MSW, PG Degree or PG Diploma in Journalism and Communication. Pass in Associate Membership Examination of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Bachelor Degree of Fire Engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years for Finance Officer, 35 years for Deputy Manager, 38 years for Manager, 47 years for Deputy General Manager. Last date for application 30 October 2024. Thanks for watching till the end.